Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. Mr. Cantrell's only gone and released a new single, hasn't he? Called Atone. Let's get down and learn this bad boy. Now you're going to need to be in an open tuning. Drop down half a step. That's what you're going to need to tune to. So let's dive in and have a look at the riffs. So the first riff goes like this. Pretty straightforward, right? You're basically going to be playing 4th fret and the octave, right? So I've got 4th fret on the let's call it the 6th string and the 4th string, right? So you're basically going to pulse between the two. Now because you're in a weird tuning, if you play the G string as well, it's the same note. The only difference is you're going to basically put a little bend on the 3rd fret, right, on the G string. And you're just going to put that in on the 2 and, okay? Or the 4th, 8th note, whichever you prefer, right? But you can also get the open B in there as well, or the open 2nd string, whatever it's called now. If you wish, but if you want to keep it simple, you can just play that. Then the bridge part plays. Pretty straightforward. All I'm doing there is adding my little finger to the 4th fret on the B string, and you're going to do the first 3 notes the same as the verse, but then you pluck 4 0 4, and then the open 3rd string, and then the 4 and 3 together. And then back into for the last 2 beats. So slowly. And again. And that's it, right? You do that 3 times and then you're into the chorus. All right, so that would be. Which just sounds awesome, so meaty. Now at its simplest you're just playing. So if you want to simplify it, just do that, 0 3 4. But I think he might keep that going, right? So you can do that if you want. That's what I've tabbed. And that again slowly. So I do hear something, maybe not on the first part. But I'm pretty sure from the 3rd fret to the 4th, there's that. So, you know, that gives you some options there. In terms of fretting, I'm doing my 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers there, which you see Jerry do in the video actually. He's using his 1st finger to do that, that bend. That's why I'm pretty sure that the tuning's right. Then you're into the middle 8 section. I think this is a B minor to an F sharp, I think. But you're going to play So that is 989. And this is from the 4th to the 1st string. Then you go down to the 4th fret with the same shape and just add your little finger onto the 4th fret. And then he starts to arpeggiate. Okay, so do what you want there, but basically you will play up and down, and then the 8th fret again, and then down to the 4th fret and play just as per the tab, right? Easiest way to play the next bit is just with 1-fingered 5 chords, right? Which you can do like this. Alright, that is it. So that's just all the open strings. Down, down, up, and then another upstroke on the 4th fret. But I'm only playing the 6, 5 and 4 strings there. Alright, then you go up to the 9th fret. And then back down to the 4th fret. Again. Up, down, down, up, down for that last chord. Again. And then 0, 3, 4. But on the video, Jerry's up here doing stuff, and I think what he's playing is this. So, what have we got there? 12th fret, play that how you want. I'm using my first finger on the, what's that, 2nd, 3rd and 4th string with the 2 low open strings even, to this sort of power chord with the 12th fret, which is a bit tricky. With that rhythm, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to keep your little finger on the 12th fret, but then bar the 9th fret. Same rhythm as the first phrase, but then you go back to that weird chord with a up, down, down, up, up. Up, down, down, up, down, even. Okay, so slowly. Around the first one again. Then. And then you're back into. Into that, and that's it. Those are all the riffs. So that's it, fairly straightforward. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers, bye bye.